Understanding Splash Page, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, splash page. This term is quite common in the world of the internet and technology. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. A splash page is a term from the digital world, specifically from the area of websites and the internet. It's a kind of introductory page that users see before they enter a main website. Think of it as the cover of a book or the entrance to a store. It's designed to be eye-catching and informative. Typically, splash pages include graphics or animations that are visually appealing, a brief introduction or welcome message. Sometimes, options like language selection or age verification. Why do websites use splash pages? There are several reasons. 1. Branding. It helps in creating a strong first impression. 2. Marketing. Some splash pages are used for advertising or promotions. 3. Guidance. They can guide users to the appropriate section of the website. 4. Information. They might provide essential information before a user enters the site. To better understand splash pages, let's look at some examples. A movie website might have a splash page showing the latest trailer. An online store could use a splash page to announce a big sale. A gaming site might have a splash page for age verification. Each of these serves a different purpose but is designed to engage the user right from the start. Let's put splash page into some sentences. When I visited the website, the splash page showed their newest product. The designer created a colorful splash page to attract visitors. We need to update the splash page with the latest event details. And that's all about splash page. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this interesting phrase and how it's used in the context of websites and the internet. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations, especially if you're interested in technology. See you in the next video, and keep learning.